Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. You are here with me, Jack Panavara. I'm going to make an unboxing video for Maison Margiela white oversized shirt that I have just recently purchased. I love the oversized and the minimalistic style. Let's take a look at what I have got. So this shirt is actually a female version of the shirt because you can see that the buttons and it's open from the left side, and also there is a circle on the Margiela label at number 4. So what I understand is that number 4 is the line for women's wear, but actually I don't believe in the gender when it comes to fashion or clothing. So especially when it is like a minimalistic and oversized style, so I believe it can be worn by both men's and women's. Circle on the number 4, as I have mentioned before, it is a line for women's wear by Maison Margiela. And on the back side you can see the signature stitching of Margiela. It is very cute. I love this shirt because I have to mention that in 2015 I used to have one of the Ralph Simmons shirt I have bought in the sample sales in Antwerp, and at that time it's one of the very first shirts that I have bought, and it comes in an oversized cream shirt, but that one it was more like the knitted fabrics. So I try to find the same shirt again, but it's impossible to find it anywhere now. But I decided that I'm going to have one oversized white shirt that I can wear it, and the silhouette of this shirt is also, I think it's similar to the Ralph Simmons design in Spring Summer 2017 with Robert Mapplethorpe. So I also want to buy that collection, but it was impossible for me back then. So now I just try to find the most similar version of the shirt here. But it's pretty long. Actually, it is very long for me. It is almost to my knee length. So I guess that this can be worn as a dress, but also I'm a male and I can wear it too. So let's take a look how it would look on me when I go wear it outside.
And twirl. No?
Again, you can see that the shirt itself is very long. So it almost reached my knee. So this can be worn as a dress indeed for women. But for what I think is that it also looks good on me when I wear it with the black pants, oversized pants, and one long t-shirt. Then that's all I need for my comfort day, or like going to the airport look in the morning, something like that. Let's try it on. So now I put the shirt on top of my blue shirt, and I like that. I think when I wear 2 layers, it makes it looks more interesting because the shirt itself is too big, and if I only wear it just once, then it's also nice and wish I would try it later. But for now, I think this also looks very good when I put the Margiela shirt on top of the other shirt. But when I do like this, it might look very long and very big, but I don't know if you can see, if I put my arms down like this, then it looks a bit casual, and I think this is also works in this style. I forgot to mention about the sleeve itself. So the sleeve itself is also extremely long. You can see that I almost cannot show my fingers outside the sleeves because it's too long, and this is how I style it without the blue shirt on. So I just have one t-shirt inside, and then I put the oversized Margiela on top, which also giving an interesting proportion. I hope that you really liked my video, and if you enjoy my video for the Margiela shirt unboxing, please do subscribe to my channel. And again, I hope to see you soon in the next video. Let's see what I'm going to unbox for the next time. So for now, thank you very much for watching. Thank you all again, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. So I will try to make more videos about my daily lifestyles, what I wear, you know, where I go, where I travel to, and my daily lifestyle. I will also try to do more of the unboxing or reviewing video of my fashion items. And you know, it's always, if you love the oversized and monochromatic style, I think we are the same community, so let's get in touch. And if you have any thoughts or comments, please comment down below in my video. So thank you very much for watching, and hope you all have a nice day. Bye.